got back from a ride. We'll make this short but sweet. I finally found the problem with the throttle. Obviously, both controllers, the front one is wired directly to the throttle. The rear one is just on the sense. There's no negative or positive off the throttle. And both controllers are tied into the negative in the box here on a plate. And all along, the plate inside the box was loose. So what it would do is you're riding and it would bump and it would lose the negative side of both controllers, which would in its case would lose the signal from the throttle. So it would think the throttle died and it would basically run off, and it would either be the back or it'd be the front. It'd never be together. Just by chance, I'm riding and I'm like, I started noticing every time you hit a bump, the throttle would just take off. So I went and tapped the box and it would stop. So laughing all the way home, took the box apart and found the main bolt that ties all the negative on each controller plus the battery was loose. I tightened that up. It was actually warm too. I tightened that up and problem was gone. But it only took swapping both controllers out twice and rewiring it about 50 times before I realized that that's all it was. So if you swap out a throttle twice and you're still having the same issue, check your ground connections on the battery. It could be a loose connection. That's all it was. Later, guys.